21 plus face with tears of joy.
Yo, yo, yo. How we doing, ladies and gentlemen? It's my name is Ice. Great start. It's my name is Ice. How we doing? Welcome. It's a Friday. We are here on the channel and we are going to release a brand new custom freaking zombies map. Yes, this is the Hallowed Halls scary spooky zombies map, ready in time for Halloween. Yeah, got a couple things to test, and then it's release time, baby. How we doing? We doing right? Hope everyone's doing well. You've got the drum bass to get us in the right tempo and the right frame of mind. Yeah, man. I see Matthew Hall up in here. I see Jakey. Hello, Jake. How we doing? What's up? Anto Gaming up in here. Hello. The gamer neighbor. What's going on? Welcome, welcome, welcome. We got Reese21. We got Matthew. Oh, yo. How we doing? We doing all right? The gamer neighbor says, I'm going to play this the second it comes out. Oh, nice. Yeah, man. Oh, hopefully it won't be too long then. So, what I'm doing right this particular second is I actually overwrote a load of zombie animations. You might be like wondering, why IceGrenade? Why the frick did you overwrite some animations? And you'd be right to think that, because it did work and it's causing errors. I managed to do what I wanted to do through code in the end. So so now I'm just undoing that work. Love it. How are we doing, Steve? What's up, man? Welcome, welcome, welcome. So let me just do that real quick. So it's just these like 8 files that I need to click buttons on. And then after I've done that, when I compile, it might fix one of the bugs that we're having in the saloon area. So, yeah, pretty good. Yeah, how we doing? What's up, gaming neighbor? You right? He says, yesterday I learned how to rip models from other COD games and put them in BO3. And BO3 models fun. Nice, man. That's all. Yeah, it's so good. It's so good using the porting tools, right? I know we start off with quite a few models that you can use to make stuff in your map, but they run out quickly, or they, you know, it depends what sort of map you're making. If you're making like an old Western style, like zombies map, all of the Black Ops 3 models are all like futuristic, right? Because Black Ops 3 is more futuristic. So it's really hard to actually find yeah, to find ones that that work. So just running through these real quick, just making sure they're not like messed up. Okay, I think it's all good. I think it's all good. Let's do this. I don't think I need to do the lighting. I think the lighting's good. Yeah, here we go. So we are compiling the map. I'm going to go up to my list of things to see what there is left to do. I think I've gone and fixed everything. Rotate more doors is like a... It would be nice, but it's not like super important. Ah, the 2 symbols is an issue still. I think I fixed this. So I need to test that though. The only bad thing setting up an ape was supporting models. Yeah, it's not too bad though. It's not too bad, is it? Like when you get into a rhythm. So yeah, with the code, I want to see why only 2 symbols are shown. So here's my code, and what I want to do is I want to find the why is it resetting? Did I do it in this part of the map? I think I did. Notify SOE start. Okay. Wait till SOE start. Okay. Okay. And then SOE symbols in it. Yeah, I think all of this, like, there must be an issue with how this is ran. SOE complete. So I'm just going through the logic real quick to see if we have any like issues with it. Oh, there we go. It's fixing these animations. Nice. Okay, cool. Yes, the way I set up these SOE things is yeah, I picked like 6 random numbers because I delete 3. Yeah, I'm wondering if is that okay to delete like that. All right, let's see what we do. Where do we use these numbers? So here we're threading. We're threading the first 3 of those. And then we're deleting the rest. So yeah, for the first 3, it will you run that symbol logic. We're just spawning the model on it. Yeah, I don't think we actually need to delete it though. Yeah, we don't need to delete it, I'm pretty sure. That's not right. So I don't know why I did it like this. What I'm gonna do instead is just do if count is equal to 3, then I'm gonna do break, and then I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna go like that. So I know less than equals to 2 is the same as 3, but it's more readable in my mind here. Okay, so we're breaking, we're going through. Is the map ready to test? The map is ready to test. All right, let's go check it out and see what's happening with this SOE thing. To be honest, this SOE thing is like an extended Easter egg thing anyway, so it's not like super needed. Be nice though. And it's got a bypass, so it's not end of the world if we do release it like that. So yeah, with the door array, so that's getting all of the door pieces. We're passing in the count. Okay. I'm doing this in a weird way. Oh, we got an error on line 201. Nice. It complained about yeah, it's on this one actually. Okay, so I think we need ZM spawner. That's probably what it's complaining about. We just need to add a using to be able to use it. So dollar using scripts, and then it's probably just like the spawner like that. So we don't need to compile. We can just link it here. Yeah, how's everyone doing? We had a good week. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna fix this up. Don't you worry. And then yeah, we'll be figuring it out real quick. So there's SEO door symbol. This is where we're at the moment. I'm basically coding in a Shadows of Evil style train system Easter egg, but with a slight change to it. You shoot them instead of hitting them with like the sword, or was it with the beast? How you doing, Sloth? What's up, man? Your sign is sick the whole week. Oh man, that sucks. Glad to make it to the stream. How are you? How's the family? Doing good, man. Doing good. Yeah, just been crazy busy, and been good though. Been getting back into biking in a good way. Mountain biking. 3D printing, loads. Little man's great, and yeah. Got a week off work next week, which I'm looking forward to. So might be able to do some good streams, but yeah. Also trying to build a shed at the moment, and that I might end up taking most of that week to build stuff. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. I've heard the weather's terrible next week, so I don't really know. That kind of throws the building work out the window. Using file spawner. Okay, well, I've obviously cocked it up somewhere here. Let me have a quick look. Okay, let me check user map real quick, just to see where I'm using this. Okay, so there's an underscore. There's an underscore that I'm missing. That little pesky underscore, man. Cheeky, cheeky, cheeky. Right. So, yeah, what was I doing? I think this is the old code, I think. Like, this makes sense to me because for the doors, there's actually 9 of them. So, I don't know why. Or 6. Maybe that is an issue, though. No, because there is only 6. There is only 6. Yeah, no, that's fair. So yeah, it spawns a model on each of them, which is correct. Sets them so they can damage, which is correct. And then if it's the first 3, yeah, that's right. Then it's false. Oh no, sorry, if it's greater than 2. So if it's the 4th, 5th, or 6th one, then it fails there. Okay. And that's why it returns. Okay, so this is if it hasn't failed and if it's correct. It plays the right sound, it adds up. If it is equal to 3, then it will do complete. Cool. Okay, nice. I mean, that seems pretty good. I still haven't figured out why that's not working. All right, it's okay. The linker's almost done. So in a moment, we'll actually test it out, see if we can brute force check it again, see what's going on. I did a slight change to this logic here, so hopefully that's it. Like, it shouldn't be deleting them. I think that's an issue. So yeah. These are all referenced in the in the zone. So, although I don't need a zone. Let me check the zone. So, yeah, we've definitely got these here, these X models. That's good. So that's the main thing, really. I think they are set up fine there. And they're randomized, so that's good. So restarter. Let me check the restarter logic. So while SOE completed is false. Alright, so that's at the very start. Before everything. It's false. And then when you've actually completed it, then it's true. That's good. So then that stops the restarter. That's good. But yeah, between every round, it's checking to see if the puzzle's active. Okay. If it's not, so it's active when it's threaded, and then it's not when the door logic. Well, okay, when you get it wrong. Yeah, no, that all works. That makes sense. The weirdest thing about this bug, right, is this actually works perfectly. This feature works perfectly well on my other map, and I'm not too sure what the difference is between this and like this map's instance and the other map's instance. Same code, same feature, put in one map works perfectly fine, put in another map doesn't work. So it's making me think that on the mapping side, some target got broken or something got broken. The weird thing is it works sometimes and other times it doesn't work. It's an intermittent issue. So they're the worst kind of issues, man. Intermission issues. I'm loading up Radiant at the same time as playing, which is probably not a great idea. Intermission. Okay, so it's loading up. What I'm going to do, I'm going to close down Radiant for now, and we're just going to check it out. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hallowed Halls. This is, yeah, I'll just let you experience it, to be honest. Let me make sure the graphics are set right. Okay, I'm going to set it to how most people will see it.
There's probably one big switch somewhere that powers everything. We Germans are very efficient.
I'm going to write down a little message. I want to fix it. Okay, I'll give myself some points. So I want to test the Easter egg. Oh, okay, the timing's a lot better on that now. I think the timing could be slightly different. Let me just grab the timing here, and I'm going to make it 0.7, I think. Just because that effect seems to take a while to turn off, so that's okay. I think it's just the nature of the life of the effects. I do wonder though. We're doing client field set on this origin. Oh, I've just had an amazing idea. I had a big brain moment just now. Okay, we'll have it instant, but what we're going to do is we're going to move this guy like under the map. So we're going to move Z minus 1000 instantly. And that way, the effects will be gone, but it'll actually be under the map and then it'll disappear when it's ready. So that way, you'll be able to grab the book basically instantly. Genius. All right. No, yeah, that was a bit annoying. That you don't actually grab it instantly. I don't know why I didn't think of that earlier, but it is what it is. So we've got some new scribbles in the map. Just to, yeah, that says find the traitors. Order will prevail. This is just some random scratches that says ha 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 ha, but it's got like lots of little stuff inside it. I'm not going to tell you what that says, but someone can try and figure it out. Some deep meaning there. Okay. Okay, we got all the books, so we should be able to continue on. Oh, yeah, that sounds pretty good. Nice. So, we should be able to do this next Easter egg now. That says call the bakery for a good time. So, we got the Shadow of Evil style letters. Or symbols, they're not letters, are they? I think we'll go up this way. Oh, so we found one of the symbols. That's good. So big arrow, double. I'm a noob map maker. I should resign. I should give up. Just throw the towel in and stop making maps. No, I'm kidding. I can't believe I left a... oh, I didn't put all the zones in its zones. So a little trick you can do to avoid having like death barriers is actually add all of your zones to the init zones array. And that way you'll never have a death barrier. And they'll spawn in when you're in that zone. So it'll be fine. Or they'll spawn from Shadow? Yeah, they will. They will spawn in that zone. But there won't be any adjacency set up. But yeah. You don't actually need to set them up as init zones though. And it won't cause any issues, by the way, if you put them in the init zones. They won't spawn there unless you're in that zone. The adjacent zones, yeah. So, I actually did make a boo there, and I will fix that real quick. So let's just do that. Because that won't take very long. And yeah. Oops. Right, so that's left. So I wanna link up left with basement. So let me see. Basement. So left and basement, I'm gonna call it left basement flag. Copy that. I can't believe I completely overlooked that. There's yeah, there's a beginner mistake there. Come on, Ice, you're better than this. Right. Basement hallway flag. I'm going to put that one there. Basement hallway flag. Oh, I called it hallway. Oh, yeah. In my mind, the basement connected to the hallway, not this room. So I did the flag, but I did the flag, but for the wrong bloody zone. Okay. Yeah, that was just a brain fart issue. There, I didn't forget it. I just set it to the wrong zone because I got mixed up. Right, so let's fix that up and put some music on. Yeah, how we doing, MA7? What's up, man? Good to see you. Have you had a good week? Have you had a good week? Yeah. Hello. I'm talking to you. Tell me all your secrets. Not really. You can keep them. But did you have a good week? That's important. And have you got anything planned this weekend? Question time. I'm 3D printing right now. Printing that. Can anyone guess what it is? I can probably show you, like... If I show you this thing, 360 cam. Yeah, I want to show... Right, let me switch over to... over here for a second. Alright, can anyone guess what it is? I'll be very impressed. Has anyone guessed it yet? What am I printing? Let's do a giveaway. If you can guess what I'm 3D printing, then you get it. What the hell's an orange squezzer? I've never heard of that. This is one of the components for that print. Yeah. I know I'm printing a it's a lamp. It's a bedside lamp. But it's a Death Star, so it should be pretty cool, man. I could probably show you what I finished printing today, actually. So the chandelier in our house didn't have any like lampshades on it, so it was kind of like blinding in your face. Not super great. So I printed some lampshades for it, and this is what it ended up looking like. So let me show you. Pretty cool, eh? Yeah, I'll do a little bit of a close-up on the shades so you can see it. But I thought they looked really cool. It's nice, like, floral design. See, I printed 6 of those. I printed 1 and it was too big, so then I redesigned it. And then printed, like, 6 of the new redesign. And it went well. Okay, so, I don't think there's anything to do. Map. Alright, check this out.
Power switch.
Oh. Hang on. I didn't, did I save the file then? Because SOE. Wait. Flickr. On, okay, so I don't think I saved this here. Yeah, so I move the book. Yeah, I probably need to move both that and the book, right? Book, move, Z, minus 1000, 0.05. I swear I didn't see the effects disappear though. Alright, we'll test it out. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I don't think I did see it move. Was that Matthew Hall? W. I'm just thinking, what can I do while it's loading to be productive? So there was one thing, perk lights. Alright, it's linking, so I'm gonna open up and read it real quick. Just gonna check the perk lights. TT, good to see you, man. Yeah, I'm doing good. Yeah, man. Doing good, feeling good. It's the weekend. Got parents coming over tomorrow. Taking my son swimming. It's good fun. Got a big bike ride on Sunday. So yeah. Looking forward to that, man. It's going to be a day of mountain biking. It'll be pretty full on. Okay, so I got the perks there. I think, do I want to code the perks differently, or like maybe you just like I don't know if I want to go down this route of recoding all the perks. Instead of remapping the class, I'm going to try setting it to custom. Just my perks of lights there. We'll see what happens. Alright, let's test it out. Let's go. Yeah, I'm doing good, TNT. Excited to get this map released. One of my favorite games is probably Valheim, right? But one of the issues with Valheim is it takes a big like time commitment and it's quite a slow paced game. So I don't know if it's the greatest sort of game to watch. But I was thinking you can use like server commands on it to unlock stuff, to do cheats and all sorts. What I was wondering is if I did a gameplay like playthrough where I could use I'd list the cheats that I can use, but I basically have like unlimited resources, but I can't cheat my skills, and I can't teleport, and I can't reveal the map. So basically you can craft as much stuff as you want because it's not going to cost anything, so you don't have to do any of the labor stuff, but you got to run around, kill stuff and level up as fast as possible, and spend your time looking for the bosses and killing the bosses. So it's like it'd be like a speed run to kill without all of the gathering stuff. I don't know, I feel like that could be quite a good way to do it. You actually see a lot more instead of it taking like a month to actually get through. That kind of worked just then. It didn't really. It didn't move though, did it? It's still not moving. Yeah, it's not really an issue, but. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so we've got some new symbols here. Oh, it is here. Okay, it's the same one as before, actually. But we're not dying this time. Brilliant. Okay. So we've got the one symbol, which is this one here. I wonder if it's the same one every time. Is it on the house as well? No. Okay, so we've got one symbol showing. One symbol showing, and that is... let me see if there's a second symbol. Oh, there is a second symbol. So it's in here, and then it's on that door there. So it's... Oh, that's creepy. I'm going to get it wrong on purpose. Just so we can test the respawn logic. I want to see if the respawn logic works every single time, or whether that is also like bugged as well. Okay, so we got star, and then we got oh, it's just the star showing us this time. Just the star.
Reloading.
Okay, so yeah, it doesn't work. It isn't functioning how I thought it might be. So we got star. So if I shoot everything but the star, we'll be able to test it. Okay, I want to test it again. Just trying to look for any sort of connection to why this. Trying to figure out what's actually wrong with this symbol. Fix it by elimination. Okay, so it's back on there, and it's back there. So we've got two locations. So this time we got 2 out of 3 locations.
Now they'll suffer.
Okay. 2 out of 3 locations. So we got a little double one, and then we got 2 little double ones. A little double one, and then 2 little double ones. So if I shoot that one, okay. So I have actually adjusted this window because I believe they were getting stuck in this window, which I think was either a combination of the window being poorly positioned, which also might be the issue here. I'm not too sure. We're going to just test it out though. Okay, let's go check for the symbols again. Okay, so we've got the star again. Then we've got double little. So star, double little.
I have vodka, but no
Star
ammo.
and double little.
I love this gun. Double points. Points? I'm trying to
Yeah,
stay alive.
I think we've been unlucky, and it's not actually presented itself or to be working yet. So star and double little. So if I do little, I just want to keep failing it until we get one. I want to make sure that it's spawning here as well. So far, it is. Okay, so we've got double little. None there. It hasn't spawned above the stairs yet. Double little. Double big. Okay, double little, double big. Double little, double big. Okay, let me just... I go like that. I've broken it again. I actually didn't check down here for the symbol. It could have been down here a couple times. Right, is it going to spawn down here? Okay, it has. So we've got big, little, big. And then it's never spawned above the stairs. Then we've got double big. Okay. Oh, so this time is completable. I do want to test the next part of the Easter egg. I also want to test to see if it does spawn above the stairs or if that's broken.
Soviet supply rooms, they're not this good.
Okay, so I've got it wrong again on purpose. Right.
Big explosion.
Well, I'm doing a time scale just to test if they are stuck anywhere. Yeah, I don't see them stuck there. Okay, so is it spawning up here in it? No, it's not spawning up there. So we've got double little. Double little. And then we got nothing there. Okay, so let's have a look in here. Double little. They don't seem to be getting stuck in this window. Yeah, I definitely widened this like window profile, the clipping and everything. So they shouldn't get stuck in this window. I haven't put too much effort into trying to fix this particular window here. So I do need to test this window out. Oh, there's a weird clip in the kitchen. Okay, I need to write that down. Weird clip in kitchen. So yeah, I can't walk past this here. Interesting. Is that also blocking the zombies as well? Oh right. Oh, I know what that is. Oh, of course. Okay, I can fix that. That's the new wall in the basement that's come through the ceiling. Okay, that was to fix another issue, which we haven't tested yet. But yeah, it looks like I need to reset the puzzle to guess the letters. So let's do that. Then hopefully we'll get 3. And we'll go from there. Okay. I should test the Pack-a-Punch as well. Make sure the Pack-a-Punch is working well.
Oh yes, Nikolai likes.
Yeah, I love that. I love that camo.
Oh, Chrome Death.
I've not seen it up there. Oh, the bloody sounds. Okay, so we've got one there. Double, big double. Double, big double. Double, big double. That's it. Okay, so yeah, definitely one of my thoughts was that it only doesn't work the first time. But
Too many to count.
I got it wrong. Thought I might be able to guess it.
So quickly.
How we doing, Kasanga? What's up, man?
Front all over again.
Yeah, I had some help from Magaz on this one. It's been a fun little project, this. I'm not too sure what's causing the Easter egg not to work. But yeah, I might. Okay, let's see if it happens. Yeah, I've never seen it go up here, so I'm wondering if that might be bugged. Oh, also, we could test to see if it's there, but like not like. Yeah, let me just run a developer command. I might be able to see where there is one when it's currently not there, sort of thing. Bullet meshes. Let me just do that. Bullet meshes 1. Okay, so I don't see anything up there. Okay. See the symbols up there, yeah? So we've got a double symbol, a double big, and then up there we got, yeah, a little bit, like a single big. You can move out of the way, that'd be excellent. Thank you. Oh, of course it's working now. Right, I was gonna try and use this to find out what's wrong. So I need to fail it again on purpose. So if I just hit everything except that symbol, it will get it wrong, and then we'll be able to reset the puzzle. Okay. Yeah, how you doing, Kasongo? It's good to see you, man. Hope you're well. So this is developer 1 plus G... Oh, I can't remember what it's called. I just type in debug render and it comes up. G_B debug render bullet meshes 1. This shows you bullet meshes. So anything that's got a bullet mesh applied will work. Not everything has bullet meshes set up. Especially smaller stuff. I'm surprised they... Why has that got bullet meshes? The hell? Surprised. Yeah, see the grass isn't doing it? So your bullets don't affect the grass, right? Okay. So we got one symbol up there. There's no symbol up there. We got one there. Oh god, we got 3 symbols again, bro. Got 3 symbols again. I need it to fail. I'm purposely trying to get the Easter egg code to fail. So double, big, double. Double, big, double.
Quickly and in large numbers.
Double, big, double. Double, big, double. Double, big, double. Okay. So yeah, what I'm doing right now is sometimes the symbol Easter egg doesn't work. And for the life of me, I can't figure out why, because it works perfectly in a different map that I made. So what I'm doing is I'm purposely trying to get it to fail again. And when it fails this time, I'm going to use this render collision thing just to see if it's trying to render a model that's not there. That makes sense. So like it might be that. Yeah, to be honest, I've never seen it up there. It's meant to be up there sometimes. So we symbols. Okay, so we got one. Alright, let me check out here. Got nothing there. Okay, we got the symbol. Okay, so we are actually missing one. We are missing one. We got one. Yeah, it's not rendering anything there. And then not rendering anything there.
Maybe I share these points with Steve.
Alright, I'm gonna pass the Easter egg now. So we've got double littles, so 2 doubles, 2 double littles, and a star. We'll have to just guess the last one. So we've got a star, and we've got 2 double littles. That one. I got it wrong. Okay, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Time to go in for kill.
Yeah, I definitely haven't seen him get stuck, which is good. That's one annoying bug done. I hear you. Is the MLG map releasing today? So I spoke to the guys that commissioned it, and I said basically we got like, I don't know, 7 or 8 perks. If you want to have more perks in the map, it's going to take a bit of time. And they were like, yeah, it's all good. Like, there's no rush. So basically, I'm going to release the MLG map next week. Release the MLG map next week. Try and get a whole load more perks in. So we've got star. And then that allows me to focus on this map. Star, then big double. So star, then big double. Star, then big double. Right, I'm going to guess the last one. Oh god. Add Snail Post Surfy. Dude, Snail Post Surfy is quite cool. It is quite cool. Yeah, I don't know. The thing with adding perks these days is they all use like crazy lure menus, and I just can't be asked for all that. But I need to do it all. So, oh, it's just annoying, bro. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then some perks don't work with other perks because of the like lure stuff. But yeah, we'll do that. Okay, so we got a big double. Can I see through the window if there's one there? I can't see if it is. So we've got big double, and then double, big double, big double, double, big double, big double, double, big double, big double, double. God damn it! Okay, so we're missing one. We're gonna have to guess, or maybe it's down here. Oh, it is. It is. Big, single. That one. No! Oh, dude. I think I know what happened. I think my just like non-ADS, I think there's so much bullet spread. I think it just freaking hit another one of the symbols. I can't believe that, bro. I was ready to do the next part of the Easter egg. Snail's Pace would probably be a really good perk to have on this map, actually, because it's so close quarter. It might be quite a good balancing perk to use. Snail Pace Slurpee jingle is so good. I can't remember it. What does it go like? Sing it to me. I'll have to listen to it. Big double star. Big double star. Big double star. Big. No. Wait. We got three. Don't fuck it up. Okay, we got a single big and a star. Single big and a star, and then double littles. Okay. Single big and a star and double littles. So we got star, double littles, single big. Aha! Brilliant. Okay, so the next part of the Easter egg will be possible now. So here we go. This part of the Easter egg's working. This is cool. I should have something raise out of the ground when you complete that. Okay, let's do the next one here. They're not getting stuck on the doorways anymore, which is good. Okay. So when I've done this last one, we can do the final thing now. Is this house based on anything, or is it just a random old house? It's a random old house. So I did all the block out for it. Basically, it's a commission. The guy drew like a pretty simple like layout, I guess. Like a cool layout. And then I turned the layout into a cool block out. I had some help making the map, and then I've added some more to it, cleaned bits up, and lots of coding and features and stuff. And then now we got this. This is really cool, man. So if I go in here, I should be able to do the final boss fight now. So let's try the final boss fight. I think I made it like 50 kills or something. I need to remember to make the final lockdown music less, I don't know what you call it, outside roomy. It doesn't really sound quite right. I should put a wall buy in here as well. Let me write that down. Add wall buy boss fight. So, yeah. Not really a boss fight. There we go. I don't know why the effects have died, man. I do optimize the effects. It's a bit of a shame.
They killed many in one shot.
Yeah, let's see if I can fix that.
Ready to kick wrinkly butt.
Yeah, that's a shame, that.
Feel the power.
Let's see if I can
of the
fix
Red
that.
Army.
Well, that's really cool. I might make it so after you've bought the Wonder Waff, you can buy an ending. Yeah, I know. It shouldn't happen until like after round 30 though, right? I can't remember if he wanted a Bible ending or not. I can put one and always like... Yeah. Let me do that.
I'm out of ammo.
Oh. Sorry about that. Trying to clear stuff in the house, so I've like chucked loads of stuff
Maybe
online
I
to get rid of
these
it.
points with state.
People don't message you back quickly, they get upset. Right, so yeah, I think we're good. We just need to get the bloody like the symbols thing working. Right, let's see what's going on with the sounds. So let's see if we can figure that out real quick. So let me just open up Excel, open up the sound alias thing, and then yeah, we'll see if we can figure out this sound thing, and I'll put my screen back on 1 second. Let me do this. Raw sound aliases. Oh. Share raw sound aliases. All files. Trying to sing it to you. Or the snail face Slurpee. Oh man. Alright, let me bring this back. Okay, so if I do the top one and do freeze, data, freeze. Freeze. Freeze top row. There we go. Okay, so this stuff here. Let me just do like this. Reverb send. So I don't need any reverb on it. Entity limit count. I don't need pitch shifts on it either. Priority max. Envelope. Yeah, I don't think I need to know any of that either. Inclusion level, no. I don't know what that does. Timescale. Oh my god, the timescale. Oh, I need to apply that to all my sounds. That's so good. Now, I've been looking for where that is. You know when you speed stuff up and then it like Richtofen starts speaking in like a high pitch, like chipmunk voice. I've always wondered how you get sounds to do that, but it must be that timescale value. Distance LP. I don't really know what that does. LPF. I'm gonna get rid of this like LPF stuff. Let me get rid of that LPF stuff. New music. Get rid of all that. Okay, so I think I fixed that. Yeah. We fixed the Windows issue, that's good. Let's go into Radiant and just see if we can figure out this symbols issue. I'll add a wall by, I'll fix a weird clip, and then we'll, yeah. Perclides needs testing. How do Lee Dizzle, what's up, man? I might just randomly just put like perk lights, like just random lights in on the perks for now. That's like a backup thing. Not super ideal, but yeah. Yeah, I also had an idea for the Bible ending, but yeah. It's a Bible, okay. I don't think we don't need a Bible ending. Right, so yeah, in here, I want to do a wall by. So let's just check real quick. What weapons are we using in the map? Let's have a quick little look here. Okay, and then one for the wall by for the ending. Probably like an RPK maybe. Or something punchy that's quite small. Maybe Street Sweeper. Street Sweeper. T9 Street Sweeper. Okay, let's grab one of these. Gonna put that there. Reset the angles. And then let's go have a look. Yeah, how we doing, Lee Dizzle? Good to see you, man. All good in the Dizzle hood. How you doing? How's the map going along? Yeah, dude, map's good. We just got one annoying bug to fix. And then we're good to release it. Like the main Easter egg ending is working, which is cool. And the maps, to be honest, the main bug in the map is passable. Like you can fail it and get to the ending. It's just a bit annoying. Right, I'm looking for something really good. Let's have a look at the RPK. So let's switch that out real quick. I'm gonna grab these two. Oh, I'm back. Beautiful. I love when tech just randomly dies. But I love it even more when it fixes itself, so ain't complaining.
Patch says hi.
Patch! How we doing, man? And dude, Lauren Rory, man, what's up? I hope you're doing well, man. Lauren.
Patch says I'm good.
Feel like I've not seen that name in a while, Lauren.
Patch says Friday night.
How's it going? Friday night, feeling alright.
Patch says busy week.
Got a new map, that's a delight. That was a terrible rhyme. No, I'm hoping we get this out pretty soon, man. It's gonna be good. Gonna be wicked. Yeah, and you, bro, a long time wasn't here. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's been a fat minute. Yeah, doing good. Doing good, man. Doing good. Yeah, boy, look at that. RPK on the wall. Beautiful. Right. What I want to do is, yeah, I got to figure out this goddamn Easter egg. So we've got SOE symbol there. SOE symbol there. Cool. Let me see what's going on. So, I'm wondering if it's to do with the scaling. Surely it's not the scaling that's causing an issue. Like, this one here was set 0.9. This one here, I wonder if it's to do with like being in the wall sometimes. So like move it out the wall a little bit. It could be something as stupid as that. Like it's just like it's there, but it's like in the wall slightly. I mean, that would make sense, and I pray that it is just literally just that. It'd be especially so if the models have slightly different origins. So, I mean, oh, do you know what? That is a strut. So let me just. Let me just move this out a little bit, and then I'm gonna just like apply all of these. Yeah, they all have the same like size and origin. I don't know. I still don't trust it fully though. Okay, let me just grab this one here. See, that cross was actually behind the wall slightly. Which makes me does wonder if that could be the issue there. Same with this one here. That line was behind the wall. Okay. Please be that, because if that is the issue, like this one never ended, did it? I mean, this one was quite a big one, so that could be it. I'm hoping that's it. Okay, let's try that out. Before I go and compile, let's just see what else we have to fix. Weird clip in the kitchen. Ah, yes, the random clip. Whack-a-mole. Me fixing something and completely forgetting about something else and creating a new issue. Brilliant. Yeah, let's grab that clip and let's grab that clip and cut that there, and we're gonna just bring that down so it's like that. Yeah. Oh, that's part of the door. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I think that's a fix now. So, wall by to the boss fight. We've done that. I can actually just make that a tick. That's good. Add more light into the ritual area. Yeah, I think we can actually just like, we could have a static effect here. You know, with this like play effects. So I don't do any play effects in either of these scripts. I do an explosion on the yeah, but I do clean it up. When are we trying it? Very soon, I hope. Yeah. So the line in the ritual area is kind of like a bonus thing. Kind of feel like there should be like maybe an exploder down here. Let's see what effects we have and see if we can just have a really quick exploder. So let me just type in light and I mean, there should be yeah, this here. Yeah, let me make that an exploder. Create new, and I'm going to call this ritual light. I'm going to set it off. I'm going to save, and then we got exploders in here, so I already use exploders here. Okay, cool. So when we want to do the EE reward here, yeah, I probably want to do, this is probably where I want to enable it. So it's called ritual light, and then I probably want to turn it off once you pick up the Tesla gun. So just gonna put stop there. Cool. So yeah, hopefully that's good. What else do I want to do? Probably That's probably it. I kind of want to add a Bible ending, but I don't think it needs one. Right, let's do a full bake. See where we're at. I'm gonna do clean X packs, and then I'm gonna do on that 200k. Yeah, I'm gonna just also do player.name equals IceGrenade. I know you can cheat that, but it's alright. Don't worry. I want to change the color of the effects after subbox complete. Right, let's do it. Let's get this thing baked, ready to go. Yeah, part of me does want to add some cool lights to these perk machines. Fix browser. Revive. So. Yeah, the issue of just placing effects like this is if quick revive disappears, the light's going to still be there. Yeah. Right, let's see what happens. Here we go. Trying to think what other things I want to fix on this map. I think the lightning.
Anto Gaming says so you have to write a whole line of code so after 3 quick revives are brought the effect is removed with the machine.
Yeah, but then I have to code the effects and I might as well then just use like a perk that works, like the perk implementation that works anyway. It's probably more effort to write my own than just to use one that works. We'll see though, we'll see. It might be alright.
Anto Gaming says that's a lot of effort for one effect.
Let's check this ambient lighting. So on the round change, play lightning effect, I probably want to do like a random int range, like 1 to 3 or something. I'm gonna do if random int range equals 2, then we'll play effects on that struct. So I'm gonna reduce the amount of lightning because it is just a little bit crazy. The in range on the timing for random lightning is still a little bit strong because it's obviously 3 lightning strikes. So I'm gonna up it from was it 14 to 21 seconds as the minimum, and then the maximum from 50 to 70. I think that's better. It was just feeling a little bit like over the top. I don't know why it stopped compiling there. It's a bit scary. How long did it take me to make this map? So, started working on it like, I don't know, when did we stream that? I am curious now. Close this down. And I think there's some weirdness happening there. Let me restart that. I was typing into my Chrome browser, and at the same time, like the launcher kept popping up on in front of me, and I was pressing buttons on the launcher, which it wasn't too happy about that. Stop jumping on my screen then, bro. Alright, let's have a look. Here, so we started working on this August 16th, so literally 2 months ago. Yeah, on this stream we on this stream we started with a blank canvas. What the plan is, you've probably read the title. And then I used the drawing to help. Oh, I was looking at on the internet, random crap. Yeah, I used the drawing of the floor plan. Knew that we wanted to do like a Western style thing. Blocked out something that had a bit more of like a cool shape to it, not just a boring like box house. So I wanted like one octagonal room, give it some character. Yeah, had it playing in the engine, and just to get a feeling for the size and the scaling of everything. Made some adjustments based on those feelings. Planned out, more of the map where we're going to have everything. And yeah, man. Yeah, got some help making it, and been working on it for like, I don't know, for a bit, quite a bit. It's saying linking, but I don't see anything moving. Come on now. Don't do me like this. Do something, please. Yeah, while that's linking, I'm just gonna stare at this like SOE code that I wrote to see. Oh, okay, it's doing something nice. I don't know why I got so stuck there. Boliviano Random. How do you import models from Blender to Models? So Blender, you can use a plugin. There's like 100 plugins. If you use the wrong one, it might be too old and not work and not compatible. So make sure you're using one of the newest ones. A good one is Better Blender by Shiversoft Dev. But there's loads of other ones. There's the Destio one. There's the other one by Sayo or Saikyo or I can't remember top of my head. How do you import it with 8? So in Blender, you export it in the right format. Then you stick it in your tool, like in the root of your Black Ops 3 somewhere. Model export. In your model export custom folder. Like a custom folder, stick it in there. And then, and then in Ape, you just add it in. So you right click to add in. There's a lot of tutorials on this sort of stuff. For me to walk you through it, it's going to be like a 10-minute explanation. Whereas you could just go watch a 10-minute tutorial. But that's pretty much it. So, good luck. There's lots of stuff you can add to your tools. Alright, looks like it's ready to test. Let's load it up, see what's happening. Oh, I hope to God that I fixed this, like, SOE symbol logic, bro. SOE restarter. Yeah, that definitely will be set, so... You did an abandoned laboratory and you didn't know how to import the modules. You can definitely do it. Yeah, it depends like how you set it all up. Like if there's lots of assets, then yeah, the best way is probably to set up all those assets, right? And then remake it in the tools. But if you want to do the lazy way, then you could port like big sections as like combined models or meshes. So okay, let's see. This is hallowed halls. Okay, we've got double little, big single, double. Okay, it works. It works. We got to get it wrong. We got to get it wrong. We got to get it wrong. So big single, big single, big single, big single, big single, big single, big single. Star. Perfect. All right. So let's give myself thunder gun. Thunder gun upgraded. I'm gonna do 1.6. Okay, we got 1. 2, 3. Oh my god, it's working. Oh my god, it's working. Oh my god, it's working. Oh my god. Okay, the double one. The double one. So don't shoot that one. Okay. Okay, goodbye. Okay, that one's fixed. Nice. Got my AK. Yeah, this is a haunted house map. Okay, big double, big that, and then maybe out the front. Oh, it was literally just the placement. It was clipping through the wall, based on it was literally based on the positioning of it. I will keep testing though. Okay, so we got a big and then a double. Big double, 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 big. Double, big double, big double. Double, double, big double. What else do I need to test? Oh, that's made me really happy. Made me really happy. That's really good. So I want to test the ritual area. Perk lights, I guess. We can have a little mooch, see what we got. Nada. Nothing on there. Nothing on there. Okay. Okay. Is Easter egg for 1 player or 4? There's no there's no discrepancy. Okay, so we've got double, big, double. And then we got big, single, big.
Much appreciated.
And then big, single, big. Double, big, double. And then big, little, big. Oh, it has failed here. But that might be to do with the sizing, right? Wait, big, single, big... Oh, it might be downstairs. Might be downstairs. Might be downstairs. It is downstairs. Oh, this is huge. Okay, so far, 4 out of 4 it's worked. I think I fixed it. I think it was just the placement. I think we fixed it, man. Right, what I'll do is I'll upload the map. And then we'll play it officially. Try and beat the Easter egg. See if we go. Right, star, single, 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 and then big double. Dude, I might need to move those apart a little bit because the spread on this gun, I swear the spread on this gun is like affecting the damage. Just need to move them apart just a little bit. I hear you, baby. Come on. Alright, let's do this. Yeah, the place, like the spacing and accidentally hitting one is not really a big issue. Not too concerned about that. Star. And then big double, star, 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 big double. Wait. Wait, I've forgotten the other one. Hang on. Star. Okay, so it's big arrow and then double little. Big arrow, double little. Big arrow, double little. Big arrow, double little. Big arrow, double little. That one. Okay, cool. Well, I think that's a good test, man. So we try and do this. It's saying dark spirits can still be found elsewhere. Press F to unleash. Dark spirits can be still be found elsewhere. Okay, let's see if we can buy the RPK. The height feels good. The clip feels good. Yeah, that is really good. I'm happy with that. Right, let's get these soul chests done. Yeah, distance is pretty good. And the kills. Oh my god, the movement scale is crazy. I'm gonna write that thing down. So future features. After Soulbox, make hand reward come out the ground. I think that'd be really cool. If like a zombie hand comes out of the ground and hands you like a little gift that you can then pick up. Cool. Let's go to the other ones. Oh, I freaking love this gun. Freaking love the RPK, man. This window's really cool.
See you, maggot bags.
What happens if I try and start this? There's already an active soul collector. Okay, cool. Just wanted to test that. I don't mess it up. Old ice grenade in the past has already sorted that out.
That ought to hold it for a while.
Cool. Beautiful. Right, I think we'll be releasing this very soon. The only thing I want to adjust is probably the amount of souls that you need to get. And then I'm going to write that down. So yeah. So every time I have an idea, you got to write it down. So scale number of kills needed to match party plus general increase, I think would be good.
Rack 'em up.
Okay, so now we've finished all the soul chests. Let's start the final lockdown.
Oh yeah, bring it, freak bags.
I'm not hearing the music though. I think I broke it. Cool. The music's not super important.
Light 'em up.
Yeah, I got 2 monitors. I got 3, but I only connect the third one when I need. Oh, the exploder's working, of course. Nice. Was that? Did that exploder only come on after I completed it? Oh wait, no, it didn't. Nice. Oh, that's really cool. Okay.
It's raining lead on you, puss buckets.
Oh, that freaked me out. Play the snail place surfer jingle when it's released. Alright, I'll check it out. Right. Let's release this thing. Let's do it. I'm gonna do fix boss fight sound. We fixed the clip in the kitchen. We fixed that logic. We fixed that logic. We fixed that logic. Okay, so we got some things that we can modify.
Gaming says I got 2 as well, but I want to reduced the resolution of my main display to 1440p because my PC can't run most games at 4K anymore.
That's fair. That's one of the reasons I went for 2K, because I've got 3 2K monitors, which is still less resolution to render than having like one 4K monitor, right?
440p in Windows, but
in terms of
games
pixels.
still launch in 4K.
If you're having 2 4K monitors, that's like that's such an overhead for your hardware. But yeah, I got 2K for the bandwidth for just like latency reasons. Like 2K is a pretty good clarity rise, and yeah, I don't know. 4K is cool though, but yeah, I didn't need that. I would say I recommend 2K.
4K is so dumb for me.
4K is cool. Kizo, how we doing, man? What's up, Kizo? Welcome, dude. We are literally about to release this map, so okay. Let's let's do this. Rip typo, yeah, I think I fixed it. It's all good. Let's do publish. Before I publish though, I gotta move the I gotta get rid of the workshop file. Okay. Yeah, before I upload it, I need to get some art for it, right? That'll be good. Yeah, 3D print I'm doing on a really high like quality level. I'm printing like a millimeter thick, a millimeter line height. So I have a lot of clarity to it, a lot of yeah. I'm printing a Death Star that's like a bedside lamp. So I'm using such a high, like such a precise fidelity or whatever.
Anto Gaming says my active
Oh, it says it's gonna take a whole day. Bro. Yeah, no, well, I'm not waiting a whole day. Let's change that. I've just put it on sport mode. So instead of a day and an hour, 20 hours. Let's change it now. It's going to take too long. Ludicrous mode. Right. How long is it going to take?
First, I must find a power switch.
I want to see how long it takes. Right, I need to get rid of the early access stuff as well, because it's no longer early access. Strict. Yeah, I need to get rid of this members thing. Yeah, let's get rid of all that. Get rid of all of that, I think. Special. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that members code. So I think we can do that. Oh, I need a different weapon set than that. Let's do EM2. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's done. So I'm testing for what right now? I need to remember. Oh yeah, I'm just getting some screenshots. So I should actually load this up with the director's mod, to be honest. Yeah, let me do God. No target. And then I'm gonna do disable spawn. And then develop, I don't need to develop one. I'm gonna buy some of the doors. Okay, let's do UI enabled 0, no clip, CG draw 2D 0. Actually, I'm going to enable that again. I'm going to enable the HUD as well. I just want to change it to HDTV. Cool. How it should be played. -20. Cool. Cool. Let's open paint.net. There. It's going to be 5 minutes before I get all of this set up, so I wouldn't. Okay, that's a better angle, I like that. Okay.
Anto Gaming says at Magus Gaming, no way the goat has arrived.
Yo, yo, yo. Hey, wait a minute. I know this map. Yeah, buddy. I appreciate all your effort on this one. It's it's good. Have you seen it with all the effects and everything? Spooky. Spooky. for a good angle in here. Have I not got my volumetrics enabled? I don't. It's enabled, but it's not showing. Maybe I broke the effects. That's great. Oh, look! I can see the volumetrics from there, but from this angle I can't. Okay, let's. That's not a bad angle. Just go like that. It's kind of clean. Okay. I kind of like having this roulette table like in the forefront. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. I love what it looks like down here. But down here, I'm going to cheat and put the brightness up for the screenshot.
Anto Gaming says at Magus Gaming LOL.
Oh, I didn't take off the I didn't take off the crosshairs for that one. Okay. I'm going to retake that one. Sorry, bear with me on this jingle. I know, it's probably a bit much. Okay, sorry, got rid of the jingleberries. Go down there, so kind of want to get some action shots as well. So yeah, let me do AI disable spawn 0. Do like timescale 10. Okay, let's do some cool effects. Cool.
not playing campaign
Their
alone.
numbers do not concern me!
How we doing, Pete? What's up, man? Let me mess around with that depth of field real quick. Cool. Oh, I gotta... Okay. I didn't mean to apply the letterbox.
I will not give up! Fear is the opiate of combat!
Details.
Too many to count! It is a good day to die!
How the hell do I... Yeah, there we go. Old film. I don't know how you get rid of like the...
Their defeat hastens!
This looks kind of crazy.
Anto Gaming says my brain is exploding from this audio. Haha.
Yeah, my bad.
Help me!
Gaming says zombies just stop hitting you.
My ancestors shower us with gifts!
Why is it saying prone blocks? Like I'm trying to go prone. I don't like all the hints on the screen.
You cannot defeat my destiny!
I can't really. I need a print screen key. That's what I need. Alt print screen. Yeah, I can't do that with one hand. So I need to shoot with my right hand. And with my left hand I need to hit alt print screen, but it's like all the way across the keyboard. Yeah, kind of sucks. You can make a hotkey? Yeah, you can do anything.
Video, then take screenshots.
Video and then take. And I'm quite happy with these effects, so I'm gonna leave it at that. Cool. Okay, let's go on paint.net. Oh, we're on, sorry, already on paint.net. I gotta save all of these. So I'm gonna go make a folder for the map. I put all my maps in here. I'm gonna call it Hellos, and I'm just gonna call it Hello Screenshots. Beautiful. Okay, now I want to do save copy basically. So save as, and then I'm just going to do them all JPG. So we'll save that one. Undo. Don't really care for that one. Yeah, we can do that. We can do that one. 2. Save that. Put music on. Be careful that. Very careful that. Be careful that. Be careful that. That's quite a cool one. I'm gonna save that one. Alright. Nice, nice, nice. Don't need that one. Printer said it was going to take over a day. How long does it say now? 14 hours. Yeah, I got it running really fast now. Yeah, that's crazy fast, man. I can't believe how fast it goes sometimes. Like the place switching is crazy. That's kind of cool. The only issue with the letterbox screenshot is that the screenshot doesn't match any of the other ones in terms of the aspect ratio, which kind of bothers me. So I'm not gonna use it. All right, save that one. That's quite cool. I don't think I need that one in there. This is quite a nice shot. So I'm going to save that. Cool. I don't think we need to give away the ritual location. I think that can stay a secret. That's quite nice. The saloon from the roulette table. Kitchen's cool. I probably don't need to share this one, but I'm going to save it anyway. This one's a bit dark, so let me see what I can do. Cool. Save this one. This is the unfortunate truth to map making and releasing a project. You have to put loads of effort into the actual like images of it, because that's the gateway, right? People make a decision before they play your map. They think, is this map a cool map? Is this map worth downloading to play? And they look at the images. They look at the images, and if your images are shit, they're not going to play your map, or they might not. They might still play it.
Anto Gaming says description as well.
So yeah, description and good, like, clean screenshots is really going to help people, you know, help get people playing your map.
Anto Gaming says title.
You put all that hard work into it as well. You don't want to lose the opportunity. You also don't want to clickbait people as well. And if you've made a really shit map and then show them a screenshot of like the game you were copying, I see that all the time. I see someone who's trying to make, like, I'm going to pick a random game out. Like, this is not actually connecting to any real map, but just as an example. Need for Speed, you know, so they make a Need for Speed map. They show you a screenshot of in the Need for Speed game and not their actual map. And you think, oh, that looks sick. And you open it up and it's a load of shit. It's like, no, show an actual screenshot of your map. Like, at least add whatever filters you want. That's cool. But it needs to be the actual map. Otherwise, you just... I don't know, man. It's annoying. So I think I'm going to use... I think that one's too angled for the main thing. So I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to open up one of my existing maps. Maybe like... Hilltop Square, move that one. Cool. I'll delete these. Delete that. And then on this one, I'm going to paste. I'll do that as a base layer. Then I think I'm gonna do kind of like that. And then here I'm gonna blend out that top. Cool, I'll merge them down together. Then I'm gonna add some highlights to it manually. So use that one to help bring some clarity to it. Merge it down. Duplicate that. Want to punch a tiny bit more color in there, and then let's go with the adjustments again. Cool. Then blend it through to the other layer. Yeah, bring this layer down a bit. And then merge that down, and then bring this layer down. Oh, I think I need to Cool. I'm gonna duplicate that one. Keep a fresh thing. Kind of want to grab that and then clean up the sky a little bit. Cool. Okay, let me do delete on that. Do I think Noah's going to play this? It'd be cool if he did. Yeah, it'd be cool if he did. I don't know if he will. Right. Alright, Captain's Redemption is the current winner on the font front. Let's see what else we got. See if there's anything spooky that looks better. That one looks a bit too well typed. That's quite nice. What a funny name for a font though. It says Crack Johnny. Oh man. I was saying spooky. Oh, I like that. Yeah. Okay. You're gonna go like this. Add some difference to it. Okay. And then this one, I'm gonna make it darker. Probably like darker than that though. Like that. That's pretty cool. I wonder if I can like sneak in a zombie from one of the other renders or screenshots renders. Before it crashes. Okay. I don't trust it. Cool. I don't know what the hell that was just there. But. Okay, let me try getting some more clarity on it. What I'm trying to do, I guess. Maybe a little bit of like hue. Cool, I quite like that. Bam, 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 bam. Let's see. Yeah. Go to the workshop. Files you posted. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of the maps link. That's an old thing. I don't do that anymore. Cool. Alright. I like that. That's sweet. One thing that's kind of annoying me, so I'm going to fix it. Is the height of the text there wasn't centered. That's better. That is better. Yeah, that and that are different sizes. Slightly. Right, let's see what we can do with this. I think that's better. I mean, I like it. Alright, save as. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, save that. Alright, save it as a PNG. Image resize 600. Okay. Okay. Okay, I need to make some small adjustments. Get rid of that and that. Clean that up a little bit. And then resize to 1920 by 1080. File, save as. Hello. Loading. And then I need to do resize 640. No. 340 by 600. Save as. Preview. Okay. Let me compress them. Okay. Let's go put them in the map. Right, loading image. Loading image. Preview image. Cool. I don't know if I need to bake. I've built a link that. I think I do need to link it. Let's do that. Gonna play this map with the V mod. We need you in the dance mod. What's the we need you in the dance mod? Is that just, it's just based on a meme? Well, what does it do? Oh, I see. Skip that. Oh, I'm hoping that is good. Let's upload it and see what happens. So I think we've got everything pretty much set up, ready to go. The only thing I haven't got is I guess a description. Yeah, one thing I need to do, because I don't use PayPal anymore, PayPal, update my my link to like a yeah, this one here. Yeah, I need to update that link on like 80 maps, which is really mad. Oh, I didn't even check to see if that worked. So, oh yeah, that's not even right. Is it called Ko-Fi? Cool. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I need to do that. Yeah, I was going to use this. Steph, how we doing? What's up? Good to see you, Steph. Right, it's done doing its thing. Let's upload. Call it Hallowed Halls. The thumbnail is going to be in here somewhere. Yeah, if it jumps out to you, it's kind of good. Okay, so we're uploading it. Brilliant. Well, while we're doing that, we're gonna work on a description for it. You're good? Just got home from work? Check out the Snail's Pace Slurpee jingle. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, so I do have assets here. Let me just check. I found the jingle really quickly. Here it is. Here's the jingle. Sorry, that was really loud. I do love this jingle. Yeah, I do love that jingle. I'm familiar with that. I couldn't recall off the top of my head. That's cool though. That's uploading. This, welcome to Hallowed Halls. This fun survival map with a small Easter egg situated at a dark and evil western house in the forest. Well, I don't know what to say. We'll come up with the cool description. Welcome to Hallowed Halls, a fun survival map with a small Easter egg situated at an evil western house in a dark forest. With a nod at classic style survival maps levels. This should keep you on your toes as you figure out how to solve the mystery. No, it's not really a mystery. With a nod at classic survival for modes, this map brings is a great experience, tight gameplay and nice visuals. I recommend you play with your gamma correction settings set to Rec 709 and your brightness to 0. Not -1, not 1, but 0. This is the intended experience. It is dark. It's dark. It's gritty. and it's a whole lot of fun. Huge thank you for a huge thank you goes out to the person that commissioned this map. You can get your own. You can get me to make you your own map here. Or learn to make them yourself with one-to-one sessions. Did you intend to say not -1? Yeah, because it's not -1. Oh, yeah, I did mean to say not. Thank you, Poop. Got my back. Legend. Huge thank you goes out to the person that commissioned this map. I should put a heart emoji there, but I don't know if I can on Steam. You can get me to make your own map here, or learn to make them yourself with one-to-one tutoring sessions. https icegrenade.co.uk. Tutoring. Other than that, enjoy this map. It was great fun to make. Happy Halloween. Okay, so we'll get rid of that. Features. Classic perks with no limit. Small shoot, small symbol Easter egg. There's also a book Easter egg. There's a soul chest Easter egg. And then there's a lockdown Easter egg. Lockdown ending. Wonder Waff Easter egg reward. Wonder Waff Perkaholic Easter egg reward. We got BO4 Ancient Evil Round Sounds. We got BO2 Hard perk shaders. BO2 Hard, yeah, we got all that. We've got some vaudeville voice lines. Yeah. We've got I didn't do Harder Dogs. Yeah, I might need to add dogs in. We got a custom lightning event system. Ambience system. Classic perks. Cold War weapons plus BO3 Wonder weapons. You're helping with Star Wars Hoth perk Easter egg right now. What does that mean, NG? That last word you said. That's all that means. IceGrenade author, designing, mapping, importing, scripting, audio lighting, Madgas, mapping, some lighting. I didn't use that. Used his HUD. Didn't have an IceGrenade boss. Didn't use a shield. Didn't use one of his. Didn't use the ending script. Music was, I can't remember, but it's, what else did I use in this map? Oh, it's uploaded. Here we go. Jank. Already? Oh, you're scripting a map and you're not a scripter. Yeah, that's gonna go well. A okay, let's get over to the map. Hallowed Halls. Okay. Yeah, there's a weird glitch with the workshop. So once you've finished uploading all of your images, before you move any of them around, just hit save and continue, and then go back. Otherwise, when you move them, they might not stay where they are. So. Fun tip. Cool. Right, map's gonna go live in literally like 30 seconds. Put in my YouTube link. And my Twitter. Final little checks. Add to collection. IceGrenade zombie maps. Check for spelling errors. Welcome to Hallowed Halls. Blah blah blah. Classic nod survival mode. Experience, tight gameplay, and nice visuals. I recommend you play with your gamma correction settings. Set for 709. Your brightness to 0, not -1, not 1, but 0. It's intended experience. It's dark. It's great. It's a whole lot of fun. Huge thank you goes to the person that commissions them out. You can get me to make your map here. Or learn to make them yourself with one-to-one sessions. Let me click that. Make sure it takes me to the right place. Yes, sir. And then the tutoring one. Yeah, buddy. Oh, if you're a mapper, by the way, I made a new thing on the website. I made something called Asset Finder. So if you want to find, for example, Black Ops 6, I don't know, yeah, civilian thing, you can type it in, it instantly searches. Or maybe you don't really know what you want, but you know you want to get some weapons. You can click on a weapon filter, and it will filter all of the weapons that you can get. And this isn't just like what I've uploaded. This is also all of Devil, all of T7, all of everything on the internet, basically. So you go like this, and then you want the BO3 gun pack, you click on it, and it'll take you straight to the download. Or if it's not like an old asset, then okay, that's a new one, an old one. I'm trying to find one of the new ones. It'll take you straight to DevRaw, where you can then upvote it and whatever and download it. So everything that's new uploaded on DevRaw will link straight to DevRaw because I don't want to steal their traffic.
Nuke says IceGrenade indexing the internet.
But it would make it easier for anyone modding. It also gives them an icon based on what type of thing it is.
It's a nice tool.
But yeah, so like lightning's effects, a little box is going to be models, a little man is going to be AI. But yeah, it's I literally just threw this together today in like an hour, and it's still rough and it still needs to index more stuff, but I need to set up some automatic stuff. But yeah, I also wanted it to be super useful. Like if you're working and you know you want to have these charred zombies, and so you download them, so you go download them and you come back and you know you want something else, you know you want like the Wonder Fizz, so you type in Wonder, it automatically unticks the filter to allow you to see the Wonder Fizz without having to clear filters. So I did it all for speed. But someone did highlight, people highlighted today that actually if you have got all the weapons here and you actually want to find a specific like BO3 weapons, then you can't do them together, it clears it. I did that by design, but actually I might want to have that. But you can type it all in one word, Black Ops 3 weapon. Yeah. I got little descriptions for what they are as well. I don't know how accurate they are, but yeah. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff here, man. I just wanted everything like super searchable. For me, I hate having to load up screens, websites. This is like mad fast, bro. Like literally, this website's built native PHP, bootstrap, raw code. So yeah, they no fancy animation crap. This is just like super. Snail's Pace is no longer on the internet, so I'd have to upload it myself. Like if you go to DevRaw and then you go to assets and then you go to the legacy and then you search for Snail. Oh, it doesn't even come up. I think it's on let me just search for it. Snail Pace Slurpee. Google. Oh, okay, it's on UGX, but if you go to the link to download, it's a dead link. So I've actually got the file because I've been hoarding assets like a madman. So I got to check with Abnormal if he's alright with me uploading it as a mirror. But yeah. Anyways, sorry. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Hooray, ladies and gentlemen! It is now live. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. Let's freaking go. Yeah. Woohoo! Oh, bro. Let's freaking do this, man. It is live. It is live. Enjoy the map, ladies and gentlemen. Huge thank you to the person that commissioned it. I don't know if they want me to say their name or they want to stay anonymous. So I'm not going to say their name, but freaking legend. If you're watching, thank you. Freaking legend. It says Marks is hidden. It's you should need to refresh maybe. Oh, hang on. I might have clicked the wrong button. Let me see. Is it okay? It says public. Let's see if it's there yet. Most recent. It's there. Okay, beautiful. Bam, bam, bam. Right, enjoy, ladies and gentlemen. Right, I'm gonna post the map in a few places. I posted it on my Discord. I'm looking for cool. Oh, I wrote survival. Let me fix that. Survival. Survival. Save that. Okay. I need to put an image on here. Right, I'm posting this link. Cool, cool, cool. I don't know where else to post it. Maybe on my Twitter. Do a little tweet. Let's do that. Cool. Right, posted a tweet. Cool, man. Right. What the hell are some of these mods? One barrier roulette. Junkyard. Wait, have they taken inspiration from Black Ops 7 with this like purple effect around things? I think they have. This is really cool though. Unusual. Really cool though. Like old school level design. Very gamified layout. I like it. Right. I think. Yeah, hopefully you're able to get the map, guys. I guess there's one thing left, right? We gotta play the map. So, let's do it. We're gonna play the map. All right, map's updating. I'll be right back. 2 seconds, and we're gonna play. And then we're gonna play when I get back. Right, 1 sec. Okie dokie. Download it. Nice, nice, nice. So I'm going to grab a beer and I'll be right back. And then I'm going to play the map. I want to see if it's any good. Dude, I can't view my own image because of region. Yeah. Oh, I love living in the UK. Yeah, we're blocking you from seeing an image or something that's too spicy. But it works inside Steam. Let me test. Can someone download that image and send it to me, like, on Discord? Because I can't actually access that image. I want to re-upload it. Let me see what it says. That's the image. You're a legend. Thank you, man. Let me save that desktop. Right, I'm just on my my hosting provider, and I'm uploading that image that I'm then going to show on the workshop. I thought I downloaded it to my desktop. Can you see it? Save image. Oh, it went to like the wrong desktop. Preview. Ice. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, whatever. Beautiful. Open. Okay, let me try that now. IceGrenade co.uk/images. Right, nothing should have changed visually. Oh, for God's sake. That provided this is why I'm using a that's why I was using a hosting provider for the image. Image hosting free. Where's a free place to upload an image? I don't know where the hell to post it. Why didn't I let you see it? Because it's to do with UK censorship. Yeah, let me just... IceGrenade on YouTube. I'm just going to do that for now. It's just going to change it to text, so... Cool. That's hilarious. Oh, right. Okay, let's do this. Ladies and gentlemen, my first playthrough. I'm not going to use any cheats or anything. This is Hallowed Halls. No, this is Shinonuma. This is Hallowed Halls, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm gonna set the brightness to 0. Let's do this. It's meant to be dark. I did make it 2% too dark though. That's okay. Here we go. I'm going to adjust it. I don't. Right, 0, there we go.
First, I must find a power switch.
Member bonus activated. I need to remove that for myself. Why do you use the breeze when you have doors? The front door is a door. It swings open. If you watch the front door, it will open nicely. But yeah, no, I do need to make more of the doors actual doors. You are right. It's on the to-do list. Does the door stay clipped once opened? Does it? What do you mean? Oh, it's how it normally works, so it just deletes it. Yeah. So I open the front door, here we go. See, it swung open. There's a clip on the side there. Yeah, no, that's how doors work in zombies. It's not like Warzone where you can like bash through the door. Oh no. I'm gonna get some quick revive.
This flavor brings a smile
I don't
to
trust
your face.
myself. Oh. Bit of insta-kill, okay.
Good day to die! Die for your dishonor!
Yeah, I'll have me some of that.
Primitive fools! To face annihilation! Feel my wrath!
Right, I probably want to get a better weapon. I think I'm going to go straight into here and try and get this. This might be a bad idea.
You live the future life, but die
Oh, I've done it, I've done it.
entertaining death!
Okay, nice. Yeah, I was feeling a bit worried with that pistol. Right, I think I got good points there.
All will fall!
I wanted to check how long was left on the nuke. Yeah, it's quite cool, man. Quite a cool map. If I had more time, I'd add more like spider webs and more like spookiness to it. And I actually have the lights set up a bit better. But Here we go.
Accumulation of wealth will strengthen our position.
Oh. Dude, the lightning's really cool, actually. You can sort of see where everything is for a split second. Dude, the thunder, like... Thunder's so cool. Especially when it lines up with the actual flash of a lightning strike. Dude. Yeah, I much prefer the frequency of the lightning now compared to how it was like at the start of the stream. The room with the fireball by, there's a weird white light in the ceiling. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's blending through. Yeah, that's a volumetric bleed. I'm gonna write that down. Volumetric bleed. I'll fix that another time. Volumetric light bleed in kitchen from top of pap steps. Cool. I appreciate that. Bugsy. I'm sorry that Bugsy. It's done, it's released right now, Eric. That one, I guess, slipped through the net. Right. Oh my god. I was not ready for that. Oh, I haven't done all of them. Okay. Let me... Let's go... Dude, these sounds are freaking me out. Oh god. Oh my goodness. Oh, the sounds in this map. Freaky. Big little big. Big little big. Big little big. Double little. Double little. Big little big. Star. 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 Quad little. Dude, I'm trying to get around here. Big little big, quad little star. So star, big little big, quad little. Oh my goodness. It's so creepy down here. I didn't actually test the clipping around all these edges. Oh, there's still a bug there. Oh no. I need to fix that. I need to fix that one. I thought I fixed that. Oh, really?
An eye for an eye.
Dude. The darkness killed me.
You earn your place on the battlefield.
Oh my.
The worms will dine tonight.
actually dead. No! No! No, bro. Look, I was trying to get through the door. I couldn't get through the door. Did you keep your drawing materials? I know what you mean. Oh man, bro. I'm not going to be able to play it and enjoy the map unless I fix that bug. That's going to bother me. So I'm gonna fix that bug right now. The bug gonna bug me. Bug gonna bug. Bug gonna bug. So I'm down. I'm opening up the map right now, and we are gonna fix it. So apologies if you were enjoying it, me playing it. But it just won't do. We're gonna fix it. Do you keep your drawing materials with the tablet drawing thing? I don't understand what you mean. I've got a tablet that I can draw on. But, what do you mean, materials? It's all digital, so... Guess I'll wait to download. No, don't wait to download. You're good. Just don't, just don't run through that hole, you know. Seems like there's oh yeah, I think one of these clips is like, oh, somehow that got turned into a weapon clip. Oh shit. Okay, then that needs all needs to be like yeah, that needs to be, this one needs to be a normal clip. So I'm just gonna recreate it because I don't trust turning clip back to being structural. Nope. That's so dumb, bro. Fix the light. Oh, yeah, fair. This is it here. This is the light. It's a volumetric, but it's bleeding a bit too much, so it needs. Yeah, that's the annoying thing about these volumetric lights. They bleed. So I might just have to delete it, to be honest. I don't know. I think it's okay. I don't know how else I can do it unless I like move the room. Alright. Was there anything else? Like last second. Fix the boss fight sound. Add more light in there. I think we are good. Oh, I fixed the symbols thing. Okay. Let's compile this real quick. And then push the upload. Push the update, I should say. Let's get in there. Right, music. Yeah, what's Bitcoin doing at the moment? I went down to 77 at 10 o'clock this morning. It's crazy how people are like absolutely losing their mind at the price of Bitcoin. But like, if you look at it in a 5-year graph, like, there's been lots of other dips that are way bigger than what's happened in the last week. People losing their minds if the second it goes down a tiny bit. But like pretty much 5x since like a couple of years ago. A few years ago. So yeah. Who knows, man? Does anyone here invest or like have Bitcoin? Just curious how widespread it is in the zombies community if people bother with crypto. Only investing amount you're willing to lose. Yeah. That's how I do it, man. It's all about like trying to beat inflation, isn't it? If you keep your money as cash in your pocket, then in 10 years time that cash is worth a lot less than it would be if it was in your bank earning interest or invested in stocks that are doing well or in the, you know, anything that appreciates. So it's just being smart about where to keep your money. And yeah, I think a lot of people are banking on Bitcoin being the stable thing. Wow. I don't really know, man. With AI, if we achieve AGI,
Bitcoin for me. I invest through a company. They get me around 10%
a year
for the last few years. So
that's really good, man. That's really good. I do something really stupid, but I can't recommend it to anyone. But yeah, I've been investing in stock markets in like video games, like RuneScape for example, like 15 years ago or plus over 15 years ago. Like 20 years ago, I started investing like in the Grand Exchange just to learn the investing on there, and everything I learned from that, I then was interested in real investing, but never invested anything until like 5 years ago. And 5 years ago I thought, okay, I'll just like have a play around with a little bit, and I applied all my knowledge. So I did like risk assessments on everything I invested in. I only invested in certain things that fit a certain profile, and I made 28% in my first month, which I was quite happy about. And there's been a bit of a roller coaster that since, but I'm up like nearly 90%, so quite happy with that. Yeah, it's about, on average, it's probably about 17%, 20%, 17% I think a year. But it takes effort and it is a risk, you know, and it could all backfire. But I have a very diversified portfolio, and I wouldn't ever recommend what I do to anyone. But I think it's safer than other methods. Right. I think that is good. Do I need to test? No, I don't need to test it. Yeah, push the update. GTA 5 stock gave me like 10 mil. What do you mean GTA 5 stock? Wait, there's a stock market on GTA? What, in the game there's a GTA stock market? I didn't know that. That's quite cool. Yeah, with stocks, I try and find stocks that are high dividend payers, that are also good appreciators. So, to me, that's the golden ticket. If you can find stock that is appreciating faster than inflation, but also pays a high dividend, that's the one. Because the dividends, right, you can compound it, right? So you can reinvest those dividends. So whereas, yeah, without dividends, there's no
It says, oh, and I also invest in golden tickets. Smiley
golden
face.
tickets. Yeah,
Now untype your closed eyes.
we want to go visit the chocolate factory. Wait, what are golden tickets? I don't know what that is. Or are you just joking? Cool. Yeah, I'm not invested in Bitcoin. Not at the minute, anyway. My biggest concern for Bitcoin is, like, I think it's a good premise, but I'm not smart enough to know and read the technology behind it. So it's all based upon, like, trust in someone else's tech being, like, sound, right? There's 0-day error, like, bugs in big, like, corporations all around the world every year, and just imagine if you got a tiny bit of code wrong somewhere somehow, and because of that your whole livelihood, if it was in Bitcoin, is gone. Like, and like, oh yeah, this is the point I was making with AGI. If AGI happens, which is like, imagine AI becoming so intelligent that it can think for itself, do for itself, be itself. Imagine how easy it would be for AI to come up with some way to, you don't know if it would or not, but to either like impact Bitcoin. Imagine if it made like 50 trillion addresses every second, and like and made transactions every like second, to the point where it like completely broke the market and it was unusable and it's laggy as hell. Like something like that. Like, could that happen? I don't know. Like these questions, like the infrastructure to me feels like it's so early. It's not been like super bulletproof, like tested, not brute tested. And I don't just because I'm too dumb to understand the technology. I find it hard to invest in something like a lot into something. But yeah, I don't mind investing amount that if I woke up tomorrow and it's worth nothing, then I'll be alright. But I wouldn't want to invest more than that. I wouldn't want to lose any sleep. So, but yeah, maybe I'm all wrong. Maybe I'm just like super freaking paranoid about stuff like that, and I shouldn't be. And it's all good, and there's no problems, but I don't know. And the not knowing is what's stopping me from investing. So. Right. Right, here we go. Right, we're going to play the map, and we're going to, as soon as we buy the, pick up the Wonder Waff, we can call that the end. So we're going to try and speed run. We're going to try and speed run the map. Try out Portal, it's really fun. I feel like I've missed the boat on that. I thought it's too far away. But yeah, I have heard and seen Portal. Just look fun. Yeah, we're gonna try see how quickly we can beat it. I think there's a timer on the HUD. So yeah, in this gameplay, I'm gonna increase the brightness a little bit. So let's say a little bit and then just slam it to the roof. Don't worry about it. It's good.
There's probably one big switch somewhere that powers everything. The Germans are very efficient.
Right. Bless me. Oh my goodness. I thought I was already dead there. Okay. We're doing this the right way. Gonna grab that. I think we really want more spawners around the map.
Is empty.
Should be good.
Away!
Maybe have like barriers.
Leave this place.
I'm gonna write that down. More spawners and barriers in spawn. Okay. I get perk points. Hmm. $1,600.
Will not feed.
Oh shit.
Is there a doctor in the house? No, another doctor.
Yeah, I may have cocked up here. My bad.
Richthofen ist nicht tot.
Right, got the AK. I'm getting pricked again. I knew it was a bit of a risk chilling in there. I thought I could squeeze out enough for the AK in time. I was wrong.
Hi, boy. I have little need for the dumb cops.
Right. Yeah, the audio does glitch out sometimes. Wonder if I'm able to fix that.
I embrace this gift.
Pretty handy.
This cowboy is not amusing.
Right.
I will just kill them all with my hands.
Okay.
Double points. Oh, you are too generous.
I don't know if I need the middle of the room, like, riser. Okay, so... Right, big single. Big single. Alright. Double. Little doubles.
Quickly, we can make much
Double big.
progress.
I don't think that zombie was stuck, bro. I just shot. Kind of looked like it might have been stuck.
You are too
Uh-oh.
generous, my
I
lord.
forgot they're like super sprinters. Yeah, I should have got Jug. Dude, I should have got Jug, man.
They will suffer for this.
Oh my.
Revive soda!
Oh my.
By a single strike, you will die.
Yeah, I'm getting Jug. I don't care. I'm getting Jug.
Ooh, the doctor likes his medicine.
Dude, this is stressing me out with these super sprinters, man.
They're out, zombies!
Looks like he does get stuck in the window there.
Feels
Oh, thought I heard something.
ever be enough. Death comes quickly.
I don't get it. They're glitching out now.
I am your master.
But when I tested earlier, they weren't glitching out.
Here it comes.
So I'm wondering.
There is no shame in your defeat. Such a tragic fate.
Oh man. Well, I don't think we're winning this map
Stick
today.
together.
I was close to being it around 11, but Oh man. Okay, so there is an issue with the windows. Now, I wonder what that is. If it's to do with the behavior stuff, I'm not too sure. It might be to do with the super sprinters. I might need to remove the super sprinters. Let's have a look. Oh, ignore enemy. Yeah. Let me do that. I'm going to remove the super sprinters for now. And just ignore enemy count. I think that will help with the map. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm going to call it here. So, yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. But enjoy the map, and thanks for tuning in and all the good stuff. And yeah, man, we got the MLG Tower 2 map to release next week. Yeah, if you find any issue with this Hallowed Halls map, please let me know. Let's see if I can get it fixed. But yeah, it's been a really fun map, this one. Been a good map. And yeah, you guys have a good weekend too. Alright. Peace. See you on Monday. Bye bye. Bye bye bye. I'm going to push that update in a second. Getting rid of the super sprinters. I'd like to try and fix them properly at some point.